and Kai.
Today,
Yay!
we're learning spelling with TD and Kai. Hello, TD and Kai.
Hi.
Hello. I can't see your face, TD. Boo. What are we doing
I was
today?
hiding.
You were hiding.
We
Found
have
you.
a spelling.
We have spelling.
Let's get them all.
So these are all scrambled letter, and I think we have 5 animals here that we can form. We just have to do spelling, okay? So which one are we doing first, TD?
We're doing pig.
Pig. Okay, let me see. How do we spell pig, TD? Show us how do we spell pig. Good job. How do we spell pig, TD?
P-I-G.
P-I-G. We have
Now
pig.
we're going to do bird.
Now we're going to do
Bird.
bird.
Just like us.
Good job. So how do we spell bird?
B-I-R-D.
So this is how we spell bird. B-I-R-D. Good job, big boy. What are we doing next, TD?
Frog.
Frog. Okay. Show me how do we spell frog. Go, TD. Good job. How do we spell frog?
F-R-O-G.
Good one. So this is how we spell frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. What animal is next, TD?
Cow.
Cow.
It's
What
gonna
does the cow say, TD?
Moo.
Moo. How do we spell cow?
C-O-W.
Let me see. C-O-W. Cow. Good job. What's next,
We're
TD?
doing dog.
We're doing dog.
So,
Okay, how do we spell dog, TD?
D-O-G.
D-O-G. Dog. What does the dog say?
Woof woof.
Good job. And the last one for today is
Cat.
cat.
C. C-O. C. T.
How do we spell cat, big boy?
C-A-T.
C-A-T. Cat. That's it for today. What animals did we learn today, TD?
Dog, bug, frog, bird, and pig, cow, and cat, and brooks.
Okay, good job.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe for more videos.
Bye, TD.
Bye.
Bye.
And we did all of these bug and this and this and this and I